With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everybody, so the question we have got here is the figure given below, this one, shows the epidermal cell of an onion bulb. This cell was then transferred to a drop of sugar solution. Give the scientific term for the recovery of the cell as a result of the restore the cell back to its original condition. Okay, so in the cell it is given that we were given a cell, this one. It was then kept in a sugar solution. So if we compare the concentration of both of these, the cell and the sugar solution, so the sugar solution will create a hypertonic condition around the cell. So what will this result in? This will result in plasmolysis of the cell. And why did the plasmolysis happen? Because the cell was kept in a hypertonic solution. So now they have asked, we need to reverse this process. So to reverse this process, we should opt for a solution that is opposite to the hypotonic solution. So the opposite to the hypotonic solution is always a hypotonic solution. Hence, the cell should be kept in a hypotonic solution. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.